You know I love you at your worst. Be right beside you when it hurts. Don't you know I would die for you? The least that you deserve. You know I'll always put you first. Do anything to make it work. I will go anywhere for you, across the universe. I'd go all the way to love you. I'll be there when you say you need me. On the days when you don't believe me, I'll find all the ways to love you. And as long as my heart is beating, I'll be there with you, please believe me. No, I love you at your worst. And I know sometimes the days get heavy, and I know sometimes a life can get you down, but I promise I'll be right beside you. You know I love you at your worst. Be right beside you when it hurts. Don't you know I would die for you? The least that you deserve. I'd go all the way to love you. I'll be there when you say you need me. On the days when you don't believe me, I'll find all the ways to love you. And as long as my heart is beating, I'll be there with you, please believe me. No, I love you at your worst. Be right beside you when it hurts. Don't you know I would die for you? The least that you deserve. You know I love you at your worst. Don't you know I would die for you? The least that you deserve. You know I love you at your worst.
Let's learn At Your Worst. It's choreographed by Colin Ghys. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing 4 walls of a dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn At Your Worst. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, step your left foot next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot, and then we're going to shuffle forward with our right foot forward, left foot together, right foot forward. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, bring your right foot in and next to your left, taking weight onto your right foot, and you're going to do a left shuffle back, right together, left back. Let's try it with some counts, stepping to the side, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to rock back with our right foot and recover onto our left. We're now going to do a half shuffle back over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side. Step your left foot next to your right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to rock back with our left, opening your body up to the left to use this as a prep. Recover onto your right, and we're going to do a full turn, making a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left to face 12 o'clock, and then a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just shuffled back on our left. We're rocking back with our right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover onto our right, and we're going to shuffle back with our left, step our left foot back, right together, left back. We're now going to rock back with our right, recover onto our left, and we're going to do 2 prissy walks forward, stepping our right foot forward but slightly across our left, step your left foot forward but slightly across your right. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right foot, rocking with your left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a figure 8 vine. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to step forward with your left, and you're going to do a 3/4 turn over your right shoulder. You're going to pivot to face 6 o'clock. If you don't quite make it there, you're going to use your side step with your left to fully square yourself up to 6 o'clock. We're now going to cross our right behind our left, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock, ready to start the next wall. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your side behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it all the way through, one time with steps, one time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your side together, shuffle forward. Side together, right, shuffle forward. Side together, left, shuffle back, rock back, recover, half shuffle, rock back, recover, half, half, rock forward, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover to proceed walks. Your figure 8, side behind, quarter, step 3/4 pivot, side behind, quarter. And you're facing 3 o'clock, ready to start your next wall with your side together. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, side together. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, on the last wall, you will end facing 6 o'clock, doing a quarter turn. So your weight will be on your left foot. You'll do your figure 8 vine, and then your weight will be on your left foot facing 6 o'clock. It has a couple extra counts. So to turn and face the front for your ending, you're going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock, and that will be how you end the dance. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our side together. Side together, shuffle forward. Side together, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, half shuffle. Rock back, recover, half, half. Rock forward, recover, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, proceed walks. Side behind, quarter. Step 3/4 pivot. Side behind, quarter. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side together, shuffle forward. Side together, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, half shuffle. Rock back, recover, half, half. Rock forward, recover, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, proceed walk. Side behind, quarter. Step 3/4 pivot. Side behind, quarter. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you would keep dancing all the way through until your last wall, where you would do that half pivot when the song ends to face the front. I hope this helps you learn at your worst. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.